si be siade de bia meka adusia eye sebie son sebie nyaado okwasia na nsesa na adwene okwasia na etunufo osi ontie sebie obakwasia na osi yesi enye wei osemeye obakwasia no hu sade a oye wanye ne ye ya ontime ntwensan enti no sebie son sebie nyaado anopei me question for the day no eya wutia fa bi bobra eya wutia enti ne tra if you say the mame na me de brewa me de bi bo me bra me de bo me kotodwom me ka kire me ho say wow me yesi me nyesi me kaha me nkaha me kan we me nkan we me ni pa we be we me ni pa we nye we sanetie abrabo ya disia ne saint no mesel say me question for the day no me de brewa do not joke around ye nyina ye mfansia de ne be ma ye dada sitina mu aye kama de amaya no pay I'm wearing Diane's World we a Versace a plane there be a plane on kwana me de bro I will show you so because mbese won say yeah your office is near there if you have this plane a Versace obetime de lens atum betime de lens atum na with the ready with the bibia obi house so I just need a glasses make baby meshe you can also wear it baby no pay we all weather we all weather very nice very adorable and to say Diane's World na yema will be your brands be your sunglasses you have photochronic we have the charcoal black the dark your Versace Louis Vuitton your Dior your Jasper Ray-Ban your Burberry I mean Gucci a lot one kasanu when you beji papa show eye clinics no some say your mom will be na mo di mu dwuma just call us and so no ye be bede near the abramo na monso no mo di mu dwuma kama frames na fe colors na fe designs na fe your brands thing na designers designers on one of these is I'll bring them so that I'll be showing you one by one it's Diane's World 0559 306325 0559 306325 for Freya baby I will be able delivery at Yama. We do delivery as well. Just call us na emro. Patronize our product. It's very nice. Your sanitizers. Your oils are hot baby oil senkete. We all the man now bones na was sound say to na say wasra na say oil ni nkunimwa. Yetima we na se pakakra. So I say yeah white kakra and no unya oils ni bia small ones a bit media to o bag him. Now the bia fefa we na so bia fefa when say chi what say what did you do baby when you be to bag man no you perfume senkete be fefa ha your roll-ons or armpit very very important. It may also smelly good. I am particular about scent. Yes, I am so particular about scent. And can one scent or I am person me ben. I dear sebi me come me pe cry lipa uje janama scent bano. Obi a oshana sebi motum kan ofa wo so a what you home. Or ben one pampa be no ma we dear no and smelly good. E person ma krenije. I'm telling you. About some of the course I saw above 4 prima for no one more bell or more bell now more young wajuma about our bump I quite a corner yanko on piffing and to smell good won't say be pampa was all piffing with fin yes my man shall come in on control my pampa boys all piffing say be my boom from my make pampa and good penny mass it's patronize our product and look good smell good. That's what I'm talking about. 0559306325. Maybe I smell good. I say, never saw fame farm or so, it's good. We are Juma. No one yet. Because I am from taking on top perfume. No, I'm not saying that. But Kitsue be would be able to say yes. You don't about to know to me shankrophobia or calm. Yet the young Sebi, no machine, yet they are following him. Now she say, shum. Are oh, yeah, okay, I'm done with it for you for about something to be a job. Say, hey, Diana, but it's 20 say, but it's true. To be shy, young guys need be pamping. Young lady, pa, sebi, motu, wonu, ubin simen bell, young guy, papa, all the heroes, all the pamper we going to say, who could say, I in the what does so banner bumpire say, you're not sorry. Pampen be a too fun. pampen bi oba wo so twufia wo kunu no wo se basa na be me lady bi pa me nim no pa he fine lady o sa wo ho age se oba me so menya hu sa sent wo no onya bai oba mpene matua ho me onya kwa ya na me kome o kase na me kome cho ya na me what is that? Patronize our food that and look good. Okay, a very important dampema workers are simple na gay can you hwian ho and fun ku hwian wo bi we be my two boxes o your bar look ma wi munye clean fa come here no wa ye be ye no kama e dey am ye revamp it anti baby out me say eni no ay kama you know ni na ay kama into kwa be revamp ma wigi mum bom and five we our sweetheart maybe very good, very important be obunity ba kwa 3 months obo mesh ba kwa mu kan enye obana beje ye splashes inkitikiti bia we are splash on our splash it look good we say when am out see me all day adwene mo ye fine oh okay odi for you for ba something kwekwe boy mo achen anope mpo mo ti say baba so di she bia na adwene mo kanom any no ma basa mo bro wanyan kan crowd for papa say nyina ayesene no tie mraja pekrom no be adom edidio mu ntade hyemu nsu no mu waye crowd say obe support ye nti friend number is na that screen no so no now no twetwe nkomo except for say empo ba bia wo no oba no be boawa he's ever ready to come and support you and to what Jan say wo be friend o friend na bibia e be fine Eddie amount anti friend no pay baby bia of course you faster down and fa Emma a ni sack professional painting ni sack of 4 year that must some other so a cry mu and friend number ni say am also be a shall say a free dance word number no free after 8 o'clock no free o free bejo feso na put that be a open the bed bro I beg you okay so those of you calling the line stop calling just me you show no after 8 you know be kasa na bibia e kama o se de koma car o water cry dey o boase sunya na ko foridua o hemfa be kwai e be deliver e diama e very important to look good yes very important what I say great well any seconds to say over so a professional painter huno the bia me come see nipa bia ti asase we so apebribi yes, what did you want your share? And admini ho. Create your own job. Create your own job. I've created one for myself. Just by the fact say, me and Papa Sam da ku say juma, but me create ba ho ama me ho. And to also create bi ma ho. E basa e ma ho haro. First no, bosom ni nya bukase na sa bosom no sua na nipa de ne ti pimpim. Nipa de ne ti pimpim. Sika na sa. E when you be an support wa na ho acho. Ne mom no. So wo pe bibia. So now ya won say e my mpa obenye nyade wo ye no so mfa so nketenkete na ekrekura wa kosi say this edu start date we ya ene date say aha ene 24th so Ghana workers enye omunyina na dwumawura for omuti workers 25th 26th 27th so we are out on say 27 Saturday down ka there be kra GP on the 5th on the 10th ekosi 10th there na say Sebia son sebia nyado djuma wura twefa ne bokra na watua enye easy enti pebribi yo hu ni sack na start you nya sada bi abesre sesika o maji 200 onye momo mame onye momo 100 bi mame there bi yara esa nipa no ko hu ano ne ho tete wo hu ano ne ho tete bra bi am those time na minya hu na am say unya na on pebe 200 bi nsene me na me fan to petro onye hu se me ba no kam say papa uhumia enkoachi na muskasin o say Diane na am say uhumia enkoachi uhumi na wo office wa betena ba bia me hu na memma papa ba kwa wo hem mi say wo hem papa on say na say me fro bi memma na muska memma memfro betete o first of all pay on father na me fro bi ma pe bibia say be ya wo so kotodwom ebedwo what I say sanity one pe bia nipa na oboa wo no onya wa wono kwa no obepe kakra ebi kwada na ofra chia no ene me fra wo chia obi ene me chia wo fra mem na wate se me chia wo fra mem nemom me fa fon fra wo chia because why you want say bepe kakra ene da bi enka no na sanity but yatena se hu se wo se create bibi ma ye ho na ye nso yetimi ye enti na make sure se wo nso create bibi ma ho sometimes yeti na ye easy sao yes enye easy sao enti create something for yourself. Now also did you na de oboa no ase ma fi wo no afafo no ofre wa enumunyam wom won say baba na say ana mpese me wa adwe na me say wa ye busy sanete na so na wa catch won say me friend na won fo nim say bia mbese me mesrew what I say na wo mu ayedu enya saa wadofo nyina bedwendwan enti hu ni sack sua painting ene me si painting adwuma enya sebie son sebie nya do fixed price no bia ka se me ko baby 20 cedis 29 na so ojime de open no bechewo about 2000 no ka about 1008 1007 1006 wonya na ko baby friendly sack na vanenda screen so no na won so Oma wantete na bibia enye kama. Yeah, live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Sam Darkus Initiative, Sam Darkus Steven. So you streaming live and see what they say obe subscribe to your channel. Now I like your page, now I comment, now I share, oba share I share na afofron so enye bi enhwe 2 p.m. ewo Asante Mampo 2 p.m. good morning to you, how are you, long time. And I say the obo homebody 2 p.m. as I make a message na be some few days ago I say me nya ho enka messages, so today I will do justice to all the messages ebeba 2 p.m. Asante Mampo says that let's all pray for a peaceful election in our dear country Ghana, because Ghana is a peaceful country, but let us all vote number 8 umbrella Ezu Eza Mame. Greetings to Mame Zara Pia, parliamentary candidate of Ashanti Akem South, Jaso 2 p.m. Asante Mampong and Ediwe Abba. Bibi says that Diane, lately I am angry with you because this is an SMS. I'm angry because you don't read my messages. You give all your time to your panels and sometimes they argue a lot. But you know that politicians are like that. And see time no the more cry and so on. And don't be angry with me. I'm so sorry. Okay, great. This is from Ajwa Sunyani. Say Diane, good morning. I'll come and see you physical. You will dash me something. Okay, you can't see physical. Okay, that's fine. And I like you so much. I have followed you from Utek FM when I was in Kumasi to Columbus Price. Hey, thank you so much. So you've moved from Kumasi to Sunyani anyway. That's fine. Still watching me on Kumo. Thank you so very much for being there. Me say live Koowaa TV GH Facebook. Koowaa TV GH Facebook. And YouTube Koowaa TV GH and so. And over Sam Darkus Initiative, so we're streaming live. So subscribe and then be part of the conversation this morning. Not pay. And come on, maybe I make us a minim. Say relationship munkwa na problem wo. Say issue no our munkwa na say emro. Me dwene ho a me mentiase. Maybe I make us say ahudidie ade a ehu hia. She said that I may turn Diane sword put that see me catch those ahudidie ade ehu hia. Ehu hia. Obi o say bia na ono ana ade no wono ho onti. Say be say pampan will be one so ono ana ya no onti just obi catch like seriously. And I don't pay. Me no ya baby kasa. O say Auntie Diane, me mommy din show. Me frɛ wo nyina akra no like me feel bad nenso meka. O say Abrante wo hia no. O say Auntie Diane, Abrante no ne ho ye fe pa say no ka no me miskuti no. O say Auntie Diane, me guy ne ho ye fe pa. Ne ho ye fe. Bibia one hono like a finish to sniff and the features. Or your tinted gramotun som, or your juma kama, or your me ideal man. I like a baby and who no crown or sinipa or betchin. Then so answered Diane. Sebia son, Sebia yard. Bruni Frebi be say halitosis. Halitosis. HS semi count that's your bro, that's your cronto, at the end chain. Then so ubi how and I may be king. Ebia na wo so ti bi ho. Obi amane ye say esan bi. Ababa wa say Auntie Diane, len so halitosis pa nanum bom. E ho na fe na me gya phone some say Auntie Diane. Enya say men try o. Ma toma wash. Mitimi toma ya na matano enwumre bia na msi over kakra gu enu ma se me akra me yesu bi enti me hwe bi gu enu ma se baby open your mouth na se me ni diodo na me hwe bi egu nenum na ye nyina ya gogo na ye hwe egu na so still not Diane me guy enum bom me so sebi me pano ya de so anum me pekisan na mse wow kissing association welcome to the group or say Auntie Diane me pekison then so me guy pampan e wonu nu bom my head maybe obe brush it twice a day me some man ma force egununum and then so okasa me ho a me komachi o ma me de me pebia so with car he has a good job or drive a nice car or dress good then so obie na no a Auntie Diane na bibi yeme na metimi atena fie wa abra sebie son sebie nyaado me no me dofo nim komo hweye nim enti ko bi se wati for say upon everything my ya enti asempe say me jai boy me jai brand me jai a dude no there are the terms some of us we use. He's a good dude, he's so romantic, he smells so good, he's so adorable, I love him. These are the things he used to say. You know, I'll say, no, Auntie Diane, I want to just go away. My break. Because that is so kind of baby yummy. Hey, case now no idea. At a 4. And then me begging them, say, I send Ben Cran and sister, I can't tell me I'm not pay. I send Ben Cranny. I'm continuing TV, so I can't say, we. But Auntie Diane, I'm so come on, my wife. Many Jane, why you do people, why you be then come check a mouth wash I hold on so the enka. We so mouth wash, which you choose twice a day. Your mouth wash go on. I didn't pamper, I didn't dream. Uncle hospital, Anna. And I saw so why ya uncle on penny baby fat. And I want now, sir. 10 gram or sika or drive a nice car or dress it good or see the fee come up. On snap pump, on send them can't kind of sir. And now in your day. Eddie Nanso ebejo ano pa mi din share ko ma me kro mo nzema afo nyina nzema mamo be nwlo kpalo ado abo ama biza ba hyen axim brofo ama biza ba hyen axim me was then me less than working November okay me ba axim woti axim brofo ama nyame adoma November ba brofo me ma me kon e helke bi ma me sister lawyer nuku mo inya helke bi ho lawyer nuku debedeba bozuma oyinuku wa moti mba brofo sister mo mama onye bo me kache e wo school a ma me eve mu dede moti ne sister lale na ye ndwazo a ane okay mba moti mba mugonjo ana ne obusuane mu amabe mu ayako wo axim brofo my educational complex my educational complex my sister ye wala mo enjazo moti ye ba brofo moti axim mama watch out November mba okay Mukro for fans for me cheche on mako mukro ma aba mama on you kasa na monto nchene metiba papa ma me Kate windi ma brother bia ya kakasa no ofienti as a typical nzima girl me kani nyina enti no tadi for me cheche ma me sisilem cheche on Christmas team from cheche ina tadi school dam cheche ina eno enyo mba me cheche ina 6:30 me there when in time na wa akobo adwuma me cheche ina God bless you all mukro ma be kwa iPhones me cheche mo boase for me cheche mo branch hin da ni boy I dey greet you ma me afia ewo oboase dom otontema ma me afia good morning auntie afia good morning ewo opposite eye na ntwinamfo no mo baby omo eku bushmeat no eku emwa me fan say aponchi dwana me ade no opose one and store no kakaka no want if you good morning to you mo se me ma me no say anope ma fe no ne de anya bi simitim say gbam and if you good morning to you nyami sha ma fe mu ache me be fi ba ma be hwe mi cha boasifo na Stacy enye aunt wo hoten den mi che chon papa ma fi wo aunt wo yeze mi cho ate enokate nyami sha de meet ma kan no ejedu bichawate nyame shraw wow anopa ye ni nkomo papa sasra kusra da nyame nka ho baby a obi am te o ka che me fra wo mfanti no I don't know what is going on matisa ho mfa ma fra number na ho mfa enti no echianko a nyame nka ho osofo sasra kusra opambuwe ozi oni sofo chief michiamo prophet Ebenezer Adakwa Yadom prophet one bam apa michiao nyame shraw baby a obi ana onye wakoma so ade ma yeni nkomo frame 0202668461 na sebi oba ose bema wo hia no very good nana ya na bedwafo ta no so mi chamat nana aseme da ho no prophet martin da nkwa me jutu kobi fe ya se kela kuma se mi checha mo nyina dino doso I love you all afi internet no so efedu Amankwa boy Steve Yvonne Ode good morning to you 2 p.m. Michia mo nyina Koja Sempa Furniture West Michia mo nyina nyame onhira mo se mo choose Commonwood television na sebi no do fote na wa branya se bia wontu ana mo sant dan metu ana mo meto we manu twitwi ne se nti se me kra na twitwi me se once a day they say me adopted that lie because of me sweetheart into no me nyate brush na pe me ti paste na matim maybe have it. Let's all brush together on your son pupunity no na brush abom no hwe ma force ni bi egu no no hwe bi ama brai na so still si Auntie Diane halitosis mu pro max na mete ho pampan no ususu ejina nonum to omunye den asupiti de ankase wakobi enti sebio onko asupiti no onko hwe se pampan no ewo ni trim anase yede edin o me kura anka meja me de pampan de me chwade o empem pekisi onu mo meja ne ja we come through pampan esa ho ye machine forgive me but no asa me o ujina na mjana me no kasa Charlie yarea onye den mon frame me ana spiritual ana den looking at say no se be me wusika sinifi young guy ana odi akwaji ana what 0202668461 02 hello I have a caller on the line hello good morning young comment ho hello
morning, Diane.
Great we didn't baby our friend me free odo you Regan yana
Regan
nice one Diane. Regan ya somebody that who knew
Diane, you have no water on why that from the Bauma modern. I did do an person, Yare, one of them. Say, or no co hospital. That's the Tiana Tia. Not up Penicuna on Fese, between one among. And our person engine, yet about Quayana High and say, the Diamacas in pension. We say, oh, in a co hospital. Not say, we check it, with me, actually.
Okay.
Literally, near financial.
You have a point.
We are one of the other because they always become, yeah, they are the Bema.
I don't know.
Into a part of the show. Oh, I don't know. Say, okay, the LCD, etc. I don't know. Into a moment than so, but to Sanamon because I can say, dear, we using my force, why I say, sir, most now free in the fire and a mass at the program in the back. Because this year, I said, yeah, I want the end.
Okay.
Because
okay.
It's Sanamon, I mean, she said at the boy.
Okay.
The only animals on count. One can say, dear, why you into a brain team with actually, and sure.
Okay, nyamisha. We gonna canina ebi kra na yare so baby free sebio. Me I believe in superstition. Naija ya fetchire na ya hwede echo. Etikrom hu bi o a wo ye na hyiu. Obetu bibi apete so ma. Wa hwa wo na mpa so no na wanse na di wachi. Na wonye no hwe. Ewo ho. Kro bi etimo ye krom ha daki. Nye easy. Feminine Incomo 0202668461 as I am waiting for my okay, I have a caller. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Wadaro mama ne so kakra ma me ne enko di ni baby afre me free.
Mikindi.
Gentil.
Morning. Mikindi.
Mbacho munyi ni fi so onye ready so bekasa 0202668461 0202668461. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
Right, wadaro ma odi ni baby afre me free.
Asante, okay, so apoko.
All right, asante ntio yanko.
Well, bano, mawonya be mano. So, mawonya no, on fight ya, on call hospital near the other, or call hospital na otisia na nkwa, onwe tunsumu nzoge.
Okay.
So, because of be mani, kama, no pepe, people na, and so ako yung humu. So, no, hand, or hospital na anyi ya. On kun humu nzoge.
Okay.
Na anroba oba wale anroba nti wanya de nanum bon ma wonya no ebeko ma bi anroba woni me be ma ne boko no no wale no nti o ma wonya no ma jen
Azanti that's pa o se sebi ma ware amroba na me we amroba mte won dem koja wache o cha be botu abebom tu aka ho ene obeja robbery no se me who pastor that's what you do there ene obeja wunya idea obe fine way me na mtena amroba ho na emebom tu nkume na ade ko wi ankrofo no ma na fa bre me na mini sanso have a caller kwanka de yenzo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet Martin Adam Kwame Obamba Chompo mo to say.
Oh, Obapa, yes, you know, Muntio, Yahoya Pa. Obapa, then there's Mefa Konya Shaw, Shiniame brother, for Mustafa, and birthday, ne?
Okay.
Dubai, into Yami Shano.
Oh, okay.
I want to know Quandem.
Great.
Obapa, the American say, said, or break us away in Hofe. It may be a Susumono, Yaman, you. Obi an ho ofre ni fie sikafo wo mu ade oji achi oji asofo bi no achi o mfiri nyame o ye bien we o ya za o ye sei ni patimi tu ni pa for still ni pamfa eno mi timi kan ni pa no me die ni guase na be ni pa brabo ndi be man check ni suban na brabo ni hihye na dwene kon tutra niema obo kura adwuma mkuro bitimi si ni pa many part of the yaw casem with me casem to be so a word man ye it can be got if you come hot when you my my gun team be a better be at better you can't young pebble and go peg man ye yaw no should be be so a casem is it a soon yeah, who know from you say doctor be brisua o muni munro ni yema bebre
sir
you ban say do si kano o yeni nyina I believe say onya so for papa bia hu sunsun a no nya doctor papa bituma kosoma saturday to me aba na mi nchirawo no nya office bye bye
so Prophet Martin Adam Kwame Drumre bia sunsum so no yanji no ma eni na they be am say when I told you say me I believe in superstition ye kwa ye be nyina no hutimi ye obi ahye obi adwuma obi fiofim obi aware obi mpra bi otwe che obetuma nipa na hia mo se we me mane enjoy that enso na won so ni mo obi ka otimo me ma so mu se nkotoka ma so mu se entwe mpra papa sabio me na me star shine me nya mpra papa enso na ho ye ni pa hyi ye kuro mu asa na etie adwuma yi mi hu ye obi ahye gidigidi because e bia we nya anye na ye de amadayan mu betima obi ahi ye amakasa kra otifi onime so mu ye na hyi normal nti no wote ho a you have to be careful. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
Hey, Kila Kumase.
Diane Bako.
Kila Mpacho, what to say?
Diane.
What the Sabon race Abobano?
Yeah, Danyamia say a dumboko.
Oh, Dumboko.
Nice one.
And with
Nice.
that rubber.
Nice one.
The rubber dressing house for the
yeah.
iPhone phone you may be up in the avenue will be rubber.
Great.
Point Shama Panapa. I dream of pa. Our Mayans yet to be a BPD, a better Busia. Point Shana. There are none of Prince Channel of Papa, I don't profit to be our past. Oba, a chapel, a matcha man of a chat, Golly, any divine, a matcha Alan Cash, our man, a chow. You are a TV on man, they are net. May that be a cafe. Then can to someone I'm can't,
sir.
I'm coming in to be better sent to a Honda. Let me perfume. I said, we should have to perfume at the board. And the coming out the cake. And we'll be got our perfume about food, you only go on the on a Bible no cracker. Or say, young fat, I just come in a day, every woman who will feed. Then, if you are known, the dear, physical and spiritual.
Sir.
Obeti, I didn't want to then I poor me, I know we are fool. And then I was upon my attitude. And I'm so yellow 20. I'm going to buy a bone and I'll do for the car because I could do for a lot of cancer. It's not cars and come in everything I'm coming as a man. You are to know for this one, no bad. Oh, no Bibles are cars, and I'm going to get you no matter. I cry. I have no keep one or catch it, no deep for the area. It will be out with the program, or be an answer one. It's okay now, Bamana. A go on man, the home of the baby amount of Belgary.
Sir.
And also, when a day to prove what we would say, Obana and other Beman, how you and Yano compare how the program I need, and so then what the antenna. Then hey, and another some cash in me, and I, Oba, and I'm a child of pay. There no platform is anything common. I wasn't a wife, a friend of mine, I said, get home for the pictures of two. Platform is on there. I mean, I want to papa. Also, Jerry could now and you know, I think I'm going to go to the Adua. If they can just capar, come in so bad, not because Coco, although I'm going to do a jay. If you come one, I come to see him, I come in the Gado, I mean, I'm actually. Then, my dear, may you Puska. Tell me what you are, we now also know about. Then, I know pay. I'm going to slow be at 2 p.m. in the college. I know Jambo money all my post and it's all me now.
Nami shroud so papa also bet me afraid near the income. Mefa calls me no pena. Uncle Wallace Abibio Waba ne Ejamana cover na Munrai and some as we waiting for couscous. Ashanti Radio Communication Team member for the New Patriotic Party Amanyoko Kesiano. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, I'm out here.
Oh, na I'm fashion me who now swear.
No, you're not doing the same. I'm out. I thought we did what I'm going to
Amen.
love from some much the ultimate story. I could speak to yourself with deep in a deep part of person tomorrow. I don't know if you know, no question. So they do not come. Open hospital, the group for the Swabano, open an inch. I mean, it's my promotion. Swama said in the new center or in the ultimate show. When I'm sure I know you're going to see Omo by the video will be a maintenance punch. Bye bye.
Bye, Nana. I'm sure Papa, Palace Scholar, me na me Papa Wallace Abibio, Akaba, me Honana, Meniachi Papa. It's been years. If I last week, me Hon many G and then so no, I'm so excited to have him. When you meet the old people, yes, in fact, it's so adorable to meet him. Hello, last caller. Good morning. Mpasho, we didn't be a friend me free.
Pacho, Bemano. Good morning, Mama.
Yentio.
Pacho, a family. Because I see good water.
Okay.
Mama, Pacho, Bemano.
I meant you, young comment you what even. Oh, the way I wanted to end the phone is so nicely, no. Okay, so our last call, Amra. Last caller. Oh, I'm still waiting for my last caller. Yes. Last caller wa my uncle. Last caller brana uncle. Na man papa Koowaa. Last caller mra. 0202668461. Na fe yen rapene up. Me no aba me nim so fam. Nsem nyina no wate. Either so the medical hospital and also be fetchery, herba phone wo. And then we have a lot of medicine in the system. Will be to me. Enye bia you see na we sweetheart sebi pampa ye won no it's me from him say easy me kra anka de bia me muna pa me just say I hear that yeah I hear that me pa fam so if you don't see last caller good morning
Hello.
Good morning
Good morning.
my lady wadaroma udini baby afraid me free.
Because I feel I share my family.
Okay, sit out you.
Obano, a morning child, man.
Okay.
Inside you go, a be all back number, mean can it? Oh, be out here. She should touch my soul, and see. Let me fancy that problem, no, or a banana guy be a dating. Until the numbers are quite so. If you could see, I'm oh. Let me see what they say in Derby. Let time could see to shoot a summer soon. No, that a mass went to South Dial, sorry, a day. Many capaz, your fathers or yes, I don't say. I sense maybe a Benamiatum to see a year. Tibi wa high the way of feasting until Pakanga cry with any on any breakfast. Until sorry, preoccupying can't this thing.
Thank you so much. Very caring lady. Me fa ko bi abio mo ending am me beautifully. Nyame sha papa. Emma bebre so caring. By me man so bebre no ma wo mo so edi. Ai. Be bi o ha o aka so nye kra no. On feel. Ye obi o ha obeti o. Obi or you very smart. When you say Sebio Nisita to cookroom can or babia, lady be or see the bio cookroom or shadow no toru lord abecha Nisita because na pampine was Sebi na motum. Or see the bio danosaur when yahane. Into a so cobiano or ban or shada. Maybe I bought this for you. Me who says we say come or so what tama or say ne o kone dressing mirror anymore. Different just say come be brebe or something I say me ton so me ton me shada and to me could you be an my boy radem ho now say oh for be ka ho or did you na me and see that could not or say be man be say I didn't be me surula or so oh ya na say a joe like a joe with him I'm so wow and see me so a memano a ya na mo smart ade bi e beta ade achechemo ade bi asa wo ha se pese yes say fault wo ho be ma bi on ma on twitwi ne se o twitwi kro twitwi ne yi so ti ase no okọ odwara no okọ na nso si abonte dan queen su de pampa wo no ho dan boy de pampa wo no ho dan ma me de dan papa de what ti ase o kasa nipa wana nipa enye so me ma me kete de ade bi tete me ma me kete tete me to the extent say o brush wo siwia da bia o sokodua wo fi sokodua enti ma me twitwi ni say no say de sokodua to nanu enti e be ka me ho ana me to sokodua na twitwa come ana me do good nice small bag bi enti I say me te wa I say say you know me enema efi me sim na me zo go dia no me tsora me de yene wo se na me tse tse on se wo twitwi sa wo sifi pa wo ye tse na tse on I say afia broso and you know until one so betimi adapt sa life ne be o pese we no na we sa de sokodia atu onum ana wo mfa ntue ma enye tenten to onum kra na wo we etsi wonum so ho na ade bia ehu hia se bema ana oba bia be smell good se metie na kan kwala sabe na me kasa gu no so ana onya hwane na se anke wala se ya na so ayi se kakra na so ko ne chi kakra ase jadaya ne nti ontime nka ne benti enso ne ha adwene Papa.
The lady.
Papa show what to say.
We are Nami.
Danyako say, and then see she I'm so happy. And Rami who fly and I'm saying and then so Papa boo. Papa ba.
That's right.
If you boko. Yedanyamia se yabane de na yaba enkomo ho ibidi ai Ghana nkomo no ehwe hia de bia meka se Ghana menu mienu na echichiro man wonso monso wonye nipa na oman so be ya ifemenu mienu enteto da nkomo so ya brain pipi ya brain DC ya brain pipi ya brain DC but it was so said they are the two strong political parties we have in Ghana, whether you like it or not. They are the two. So far as young from a count, now for Kanomuba cry more no, they will continue to reign. We can't we are. And a baby didn't come more. I bet you just say President Akufo-Addo, and of course Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia says over 5 million students have benefited from the free senior high school SHS no. Na nani ba mi aso nkofo ebre over 5 million on benefit na woji tum sa anase wonji ntum anase sebi so sebi nyado o ma benefit no nya obi a wa ban na de ba yiti no eye we hyi ai nkofo kram benefit ye ne ade anase den. Is it true or false? I wanted to look at that topic. So and what are the effects of the speaker indefinite adjournment of parliament? Now the better you just say sebi so sebi nyado ya any claim supremacy or parliament as any kuta a majority MPP forces still they hold the majority despite the fact to say Mrano just say ubi if a political party be muna or pojina quantum cra sign seats no so mashebe jofia ye ka say ye declare no vacant no na se ne be ya ho e vacant and say MPP nipa be mienu me ensa no mo say omo ko independent their seats strictly become vacant. So no sa no e mass omukuta 137 and 38 mpo mashebe jofia na mienu free man says what it enti say NDC ni anase for womo de womo nipa bi anka so kwakwanse kra they become the majority. And I say Samson NDC ni ka so kwa MP become the majority yan fa kwa yan fa mra no obi an person bete no ho ase womo penitentin no speaker of parliament by o say me pegidi bia and parliament womo ko indefinite suspension obi an kwatena fie until say ye be from ni say omo aba omo enjoy very well na no wo sha edinsunsanso bi ebeba anase emfa insunsanso bia emfa ema ankwala saba your topics anope yebe hwe no enuni na onhwe topics mensa we na de obitimi dia start no onfa en statisanso na MPP never promised to build 350 schools Dr. Mati Opoku Prempe and also day in some way aba abetija baba Yaban, and then the books in the doors. And then the documents move a document. 1,000 documents. I tackle the stories. No, they'll be faster TV and I don't you don't have to starting.
We started with MPP never promised.
Okay. To build 350 schools. Dr. Mati Poku Prempe. Okay. Poku Prempe. Okay. Yeah, okay. Papa just start to mommy.
You ain't checking a funina, Nientia, a Tifuna, Niemfana, shake a shepa. Emma Koowaa TV, management. O Madaroma, Ena, and Yetiha, Etimi, Ekasei, O Muniwa, Yeniho.
And no one does so document.
Bania boy
and no. About so teacher needs no.
Teacher.
Teacher need ye and ye so.
Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe. And what can say? MPP phone cannot be that said. Or Mobishi school Makoma 350.
Okay.
Now the young NDC for the Ghana for Kano. Yebwa ngasema no kreda na mum the person will be at as yen say yen NDC for any Ghana for ye tumira ni akire usie Inti ye be kan say the Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe e kan ye no. Eye Bosirimuka because NPP for kan de den. So
omo kan no so omo anye.
Ye hunu so omo ye. Diane, ye hunu so omo ye. Me de min ka say
okay.
Omo anye.
Enti no omo enye ye no sebi eson sebi enya do. What would you say about it? And no then now be can because that's a person who quote in a book no so.
Eso.
Enti da ben da now be. Wo
The basi e ka se omo ye nkontompo fo. So o ka se manya no kra o ye nkontompo ni. Nti so omo ye nkontompo fo na omo pese omo sa ba abai mu a. E pese Ghana fo nyina hunu no omo ti ase se de emre bi etwa mu no. Omo hye boso omba ye wei. Ai nei oni akro pe so ye vice president. Utimi gina simpie so ka se yen kan sa da no. Saa na de omo kan sisi. Ochina bi se ba so mutimi wini a omo ntimi wini de. Omo be ka se o dabi. Ya nche mo bobi ase be ye wei. Enie Saturday 20th October 2012. Saturday 20th of October 2012. Any MPP will build 350 SHS. Dr. Baumian Ekasei.
And how many have they built since you say they didn't build? And no man build about Kokra.
Madam, who so more be now we come once a month to Kuskus bar. And the other can work. I mean, Kakakra.
Okay.
Was it the new Patriotic Party says it plans to build 350 new senior high schools across the country to address the infrastructure deficit in the country's educational infrastructure. Was it addressing supporters of the party in Perisi in the Wa Central constituency of the Upper West region. The party's presidential running mate, that time, 2012, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia promised that adequate infrastructure will be put in place to address the challenge. We omo kutu the okayana omacho no hey. Okay. Under Nana Akufo-Addo, we are going to build 350 new senior high secondary schools in Ghana. Okay. And so we will create the access and we will improve the quality. The argument that you cannot do it is the same argument they used. Then we are bringing in that national health insurance. We will bring about the free secondary school education for all children. Unquote. The onwa bien no akaye. Perisi ewo upper Wa Central, Upper West.
Eho no jina kaye.
Eho no jina kaye video ho. Nti omo pa ebe aka hwehwe saa na video no. E dia to so na obia hwebi. Na obia tie so. Okay. Wonu achi ahanio Nana Addo na ekasei. I will add mamini kanka. Nana Addo also 2016 and okay. I will build 350 senior high schools in my first 18 months in government. I will build 350 senior high schools in my first 18 months in government. Thus, Nana Addo said this in 2016. In Google, now boss our title here. Madam friend address. The idea friend of Adi. Obo video no bokulo. I will no bo I apostrophe LL. I will build 350 no chono as a number. Okay. 350.
And see one me am building as say no former president I be the wabako. No sense of saying baby Moba, what are you going to do? Out of love you senka sebie son sebie nyado. Nana Addo nena sena wo say o menti mi anye no ma we nyina no. Moba dia na mobeye so that you can sell your parts.
Exactly. Edi mi ba.
Okay.
Amembu bonko kakra.
Mate papa.
We say so Nana Addo na kasa yo. We will add boarding houses to Bahamas SHS. MPP. And we should modernize community day SHS, party executive. Nanado so kan wa dudama yeni asante region ha. I will add boarding facilities to Mahamas Day Secondary School.
But boarding ho nkola no mba omo ko musamba fiana. Don't you have boarding facilities and nkola is omo ko moda ho. I've never seen say school ni bia kwa was say there is no boarding, apartment there into no moko bia was say almost there are boarding facilities there.
Yeah, NDC you say. Your policy back home and it say you are carrying the secondary school education to the doorstep of children and the parents.
Okay.
In here, and see building what we call community day secondary schools.
I know.
Community day, and say, yeah, Jamasi started doing secondary schools. I don't know, friend. Kobewo. Kobewo, and say, what's the other no we are? Uko school, secondary school. We are this one, no befi, Oba, no abewofufu.
Okay.
No DB. Kobewo. So, indeed, you carry secondary schools to the doorstep of the children. Okay. Because obi oha, ne mami, ne papa. Omu ni bi se or de akoda no be boarding school. Akotua boarding fees. Na wama no boarding facilities. Enti fifie se school atare ko ebrade on betimi.
Okay.
Enti asantima mu ha. They provide community day secondary schools no mako edu enemy ensa.
Okay, 13.
Mamu bo bincho edu ni miensa no. 1 adobe ura. 2 adujama. 3 asuoso offenso asuoso. 4 agregezima.
Okay.
5 pakoso.
Okay.
6 bosomtwe oyoko.
Okay.
7
oyoko mehu.
7 dwaso banka.
Okay.
8 asokorema pamaka pakoso.
Okay.
9
na sa a community day are working, especially yoko omukwa minim kwanta
obo boarding boarding facility
so
mi boba
didn't na won say nanado provide boarding now
mi boba
so mo my no community most school no and then he has also provided boarding so
dan mo am yoko ho se me bo am frenka
se me fa what na ma make
who see dan na see dentia what see dai
dan na dentia
boarding school no
but they still have the facility
we mo sasa no si ko
papa nyabute whether dentia whatever no another provider boarding anambwa inside na one can say there's boarding now what say a dentia den see on say
yen NDC for nkwan na ma Ghana for hu say secondary school you see that to aso 9 1 2 3 4 community day secondary school because a person nipa bebre ko
yeah
into 1 2 3 4 if abe form 1 kwan for 1000
it said we
form 2000
yeah.
Form 3000
okay
now we could provide boarding now we could see a dentia 1 2 3 4 5 rooms sir
dentia there are rooms I don't know and me accommodate you
nka senye o now
and I come see na brosan
you say drink deep or taste not
baba tobo I say come see na brosan
na nipa bebre atimi akom
but 1 2 say 3 rooms or 4 rooms so still ano say enkwala akom omukom mani
half of love better than that better than none metiase
okay
but who am you say why
okay
what's about providing boarding facilities
okay
boarding
and
facilities
they have provided
what's dentia nipa by 100 and the common nipa 1000 about 3000 students now more provision of 100 at the boarding facilities
but it's not 100 it is more than 100 in it
dentia 1 2 die 1 2 3 4 5 nipa 20
na die back me fan say room say wa hey na say be say 5 or 6 rooms
20 in a room 20 in a room odo multiply for obi 100
so
enti the can say the Napoleon Opoku Prempeh ope vice president of Ghana edi aka say woman kan be bia da o kai na di na sa na o kan woman kan be bia da say omo be C350 senior high schools na yen kire no ye omo manifesto no mu no sa na o kan omo manifesto no mu no ba bia ya tro say omo be provide 350 another MP bia kan o de Siaka Stevens the same thing. Ono di ka kan ye na napo ya kan. Video clip ho na na do kokan wo na Vrongo wa campus.
Okay. Nti na kwa.
Na Vrongo campus. Enti ye de ye share ye yo. And I'm going to say community day secondary school. You can say about provide 123. Yes, started 123. No, which my body be mako. Asante region Hanko, I say my bobe 10, 13. Anyway, we call Adansia Peda, Adansi Funso, Adansi Kabraka, Drobonso. If you cry the area, you so much for any pankum. If it's in there, yeah, I do that. Woman supposed to nko
okay
drobonso kuma wu drobonso
okay
yes here we are bibia nkonya won bibia omon post akoda ba kokra nko from 2017 okay meanwhile as at 2017 January year kon yes here we say ya tese omo ya in warehouse no me MPP and before omo da ma MPP ni bi no dey warehouse e ho no dey nemagu okọ adura enso a is it adura warehouse and so much warehouse no and no more MPP ni bi no more e ho no more weddings in Yamanema so MPP for there omunye enipa se bi previous an omunye kuo fo a eje omudi de womo running mate sisi Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh friend na po all king and I say ya to you
exactly Mr. say Mr. Mbisao enoma former president then now Tiabe Yakese no so no ka so be nyina no otiye ni nyina na
o statistics
enye na why say you want to come back and copy them
123 no start ye no etimi ye mu be 46 Matthew Poku Prempeh na eka MPP built only 46 community day schools in the history of Ghana's education me go course ni because 1950 Gokus. Kwame Nkrumah independence in 1957. As at that time, as at 1966, I able to know free Akunyason. Now the whole of Ghana, there were 54 secondary schools.
Okay.
54 secondary schools. The whole of Ghana. Now within 4 years, from 2013 January to 2017 January, what you may see a dime mono makum 40 any sixer. I twaso a 9, twaso 9.
Okay, Father, listen to me.
Why be the Don Mahama say? Free senior high school no starting you. Monchake Don Mahama launches free senior high school 2015 2016. Oh, implemented. Well,
not there no one farm, but it's not going progressively. Nana do a senior high school. They say more claim someone out. So, what should Ghanaians believe you people?
Lady Diane,
Papa,
there is one thing Ghanaians are forgetting.
What are they forgetting to say?
Nanado, the free senior high na progressive.
Are you sure? Nanado just implement or buy no class or no.
With only Form 1.
Anyway, Couscous is here to just.
Was I think with only Form 1 in 2017, 2018.
Are you sure?
And at the following year, Form 2, Form 1 for no call 2, and at the for another Form 1, and I did for no call 2019. Or call Form 3 or 4, and they are progressive. Form 1 first.
Okay.
Yes, they are progressive. No, say. One day unlimited for 1 for. Yeah, my 330,000. 330,000 the whole of Ghana public schools, Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. Okay. And a second year, 2016, 2017.
Okay.
Also 120,000 borders.
Okay.
Form 1, Form 2, Form 3.
All right.
Indeed, you're progressive nature say, and yes, Obia. No, was secondary school at that time, no.
All right.
But ye 320,000.
Okay.
And ye 120, 440,000. As at that time, no. Now the total enrollment in all secondary schools in Ghana is about 800,000.
Okay, Mammy, that was say
half, and the more day and boarding facility.
All right.
Nana Doba 2017, 2018, no. His first, I don't know, check here. They do have.
Uncle Meda say 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes after 7. Mira Couscous, I cried or Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the new Patriotic Party, Amanyoko Kessier MPP. Mira cover.
Just so.
Wednesday, my feel.
Easy.
Oh, my feel too much. You're hearing you. Eh?
Yes. Oh,
If you will call, be a way. Oh, the uncle scans over. Oh, my chayaba.
Yo. Aja. I will say Uncle Wallace. Nkate gunenum. A church humi. Asem no say drone so dey say bejewa atrema. MPP asem ni cheche se kokoko. Asempa etia. On say obo President Rawlings. Obo ni din. And this year dia banso wache pa Ghana so. Say ye party watna Ghana so di Ghana sika, ahwe Ghana sika so aye gold nye bibia and this year atna so wache pa. But oh can your man nyoma papa nyoma bone a NDC aye anase aban bia tra so aye NDC bone no do so cha aban bia oh me nyina so ni obo President Rawlings okay which me associating with district assembly obo President Kufuor on the normal bebre Rawlings were negatives but yen can negatives yen can a positive. President Kufuor buy na the whole Ghana yenya de bia na efe no bus enkola afro bus omuko squad no mufuni free enkola kwa aduane no mu didi free de beto mu na twa it is a twa bibia kra health insurance NDC for twa mu yi krom ha anya tweketwa anko mu ya collapse health insurance no every buy free a free so na NDC it is yenya bibia di ni fu what you say President Kufuor free one na NDC buy. My promises be free. I'm going to a health insurance. I'm going to be one time premium. I'm going to petrol. I'm going to back up. They couldn't do. At Mills. In fact, I did the back at Mills. No more Cape Coast. And I know university cancer hospital. And then John Dramani was 1 year and money now. And the but over John Dramani Mahama. Untimi nya ufri John Dramani Mahama unya bibia nka mfa John Dramani Mahama
oba on bibia no hede bekan
adie titi obeti na ka John Dramani Mahama in the 4 years obedi ye na dum so what I say in fact year more ye witness the time from John Dramani Mahama 20 obedi extra time 6 months no was from 2012 on was about 2013 to 20 can say January 2017 no adia bo John Dramani Mahama obia be kan dum so obia no two ways about that omo ni pass liar when you be kro what's John Dramani Mahama time omo ko magazine omo to dam sa mo sori a je say omo nya bibia anya ice water business ko agu kro mo ha o ja say enti I no se Ghana for ya refi but e be ka no John Dramani Mahama de obori de no hu dum so corruption to the extent say BBC can say who your BB interview because say are you corrupt what brabda was it do you mean me as a person or as a human being we what I say when you na koso pen obabo adodan kwa akufo adodin a e can be saying free SHS one ya bibia kra no free SHS and yan kwatin a John Dramani Mahama say free SHS no woman at the buy. If we are na Uncle Wallace can be. Now what be that? Yes say yan ka say progressive free SHS asem ne yeka. Yes say why na the free SHS buy no na Ghana for nim. Sa di no free SHS no. Why na the buy? Na dia Ghana for nyina ni say MPP
starting na komo abeye
mon ka say mo the progressive ade bi ba na for the progressive. Bi Ghana for the bechem. Moya bonsam ode Ghana for who say moya be bonsam because
asa no ede
Ghana for who say ko for hu nya izo because bonsam free wa say be bonsam no ho anambo mama entro no the mama can say was a do election time one twan to kakra no kan ko kakra in this answer no mo kan e entro na a fencing one person who tried that Ghana for no if you know more can what I say one a progressive new come shall say no can so betua day for school fees okay and no betua 38 cedis per student and why na school bia o na school bia one more me antua jaka to ho o buza ne say friend say almost start yen omutimi tua one term cra fees progressive no omutimi tua one term fees man kola na busanka walas omutimi omujato ho what I say yen kola school fees yen tua yen nya ntibia yese man kola ma school e bin sida e buy 8 years ni e bin sida. In addition to say you try school fees no kwana your mom uniform uniform nyabetre say busuefo so obesua wasa de bia o sa no eden no che ne pa o sa say obetimi asa pa ba no o sa say no ebi nie enkola no just free kind of say house uniform omunya school uniform sandals books learning materials ni na free. Under John Dramani Mahama, baby, a same free or cry. Baby, I be a school. Now, schools need be near no be declared quality or meet here for long cancer for some week. Or my phone, the no motive you other or music uncle. What I say, yes, supervise a whole lot of Nyama be under John Dramani Mahama. And Tina Fena, or Major Abbey painting, I paint my mentor. You know, Mani Mahama catcher say. Obesi 200 day schools.
Go and see.
Oh, 200 day schools no. Omo ye hande no taman napo. Omo choso my 46. Napo kwa from kwa schools in the eye or my no. No my 26. 26 no. Na emu 11. Eye World Bank ni see ye. Enti o promise ye 200. Utimi ye 15. Na 15 kwa yeso obi o ha ewie ebi o ha enwie
15
oh ye tum ra e kiresie o ti ase adodan kwa akufo adobaye o se da bi NDC ade o mo sha ase school de ehun hia pa me ade a me ma me kai asem o ka cha me re mfidi o se akwese e wo me ne e wo yen ense obeti am o japade we beti ma hyechina but onye ho fa nim de good team a account team for life obi antimi no me pre ho what I say enu ti akufo do when even ye wo position ka say be ma free SHS ye ba ba mu o the cost of free SHS ni ko kire no any for at the point am ka say akufo do benya sika wa he no the free SHS so kai abi bi benya sika wa he no the free SHS ye say free SHS adom ha ma kwa say sika dey investing in free SHS ados do that time we were spending about 2 billion cedis on free SHS. Or see a dose if he has 2 million cedis, 2 billion cedis. On farm you can say education magana for bra. What I say? Now they are done Kufado yeno. Hey, generations after I've done Kufado. Ebe boni dia ka say papa bi oye president oba no free a chinchebi. Ena ni tit on ni tit na Ghana for nyina ye den enya kwa ko school. A literacy rate ebe kwasoro and also pa na trafia unya bi
madam me
dey what I say akula na ni grade no wasoro no obekọ school no akwa sua bibi anya obetimi atwo ni din ohu krata bi obetimi adan se onya kwantuo bi etukọ abrochire na ya twa bibi bo ho a obetimi read science road science basically what I say enu ti adodan kokufo ado ma ajapade kase ma Ghana mabunu what I say enya nkokon kitenkete ne yepe what I say o dondomani ha why kind of say assemblyman why unit committee why be MP why deputy minister why friend say position bia bi abedi vice president abedi president. What continue for 8 years? Also, have a na se fa bold solution for Ghana bra. Also, yes, over my then go get mu benye jata aton. We oh, enti oh, so omo doctor bi na mo de ne bae no. Oh ha, omo so benye jata. No maton, no moton no menya dollars. Na ama dollar na e fe na sen entimi enye we say no. Etimi agina we. Oh, John Dramani Mahama kwa on the cabinet meeting bi Rashid Purple. That time no ti omo abam no. O ka che yem mabu ni say e na nkofo pa abo ato. Nti ya nsesa abo ngu ekwan ho. Ju bo abo na obi twemu a na bi obi pa abo ni bia nipa ne beto. Ana se sere. Nti twa sere. na youth no so mo pe adwuma ye no adwuma adwuma ni mahama na ote akonya so no o ka say youth ni yankope bi nye no yentwa se ne mboabo no nkwa ho bi twam a obepe bi ato na ja ni panato bi what I say o sakoti na fie 8 years oba no so be man yankukobo nketenkete 24-hour economy no say o ma mko chino anadwo no car a bus be run 24 hours nje ukwa higher anadwo na o bus no ubenya bus o ma moton wache anadwo nyina mbe ton no anadwo nyina adwuma bi ebebie ne 33 MP o mo MPs no mbe 5 MPs miensa nti MP ba akokwa anopa na mba akokwa awia na mba akokwa anwumre school bia headmaster be fa 33 na wa anadwo na assembly enti eduru campaign season na ensem bia ye candidate ankofo ne bi ni omo ababa jamane kan say efe ne say yema akokwa ka che bia say ma kukukuku nti bia na nko last year working wo ka say ayi efe ne say free SHS ye kan what
350 senior high
Papa
me the bus in your betra
I count 4 minutes
what
me money yani anka mane kasa o ma time why
omo kaso mbesi 200 senior high schools wo mutimi say what me ama okuja to tata no deputy cancer education minister obeka say feasible say every year on mbesi 50 and by the 4 years no mbesi 200 na wie 15 World Bank le joy kwem wa omo de 11 kan ho what I say what kasi biwa edujama no baby a school ni si day school kan ko ho fenesen sinwura mutu omini boarding facilities na adanko akufado sabi wa hunu nyansa abesi boarding facilities aka ho o se boarding facilities ne teachers banglo mo abisi aka ho no enya abrusan enti ade ne nya papa wa asem anko wala so working ana meka say baybon sam sabi baybon sam ka anya ade atrimoden sam say akufado buy odi free SHS buy no this is the only time one secondary school for ono say ya mama boy so mo ya mama boy san kwa no wo mutimi ye aeroplane etufe wiem what be that me hu ne mpani sam kwa da university for kwa no omunya bi da because bibia MPP abandoned by a friend STEM no then was it a science, technology, engineering and math. These STEM schools, these TVET schools. I'm not say no baby we are say kono. Yes me go school me we are na ban sa baba be man be adwuma. And sano adwuma no eno na air drive we are saying baby Oko China say your phones are using kola kitina etiti baby no me de wo me yes anu ma no adodan kwakufu adone ne napu what I say baumia Dr. Baumia omo dwin say da bi yemwa Ghana for if the man free SHS kwa buy no nyase e che ka say free SHS be bawo ekobia no develop ekobia o hia middle class for ni omo makọ university awia wo manyi omo dwin omo ye wi no but your hair statistics no enipa etimi we universities mu no omo swa what I say wamuswa but with time now is a dropout no ye bebre enti armed robbery also of social vices free SHS by say armed robbery ne corner de kwan swati that's swati enti in our localities kra no a time will come one literacy rate be cost Ghana uyi ni patena bia emu 8 literate ebe boya Pacho 100 credit no adodan kwa akufado ne MPP what I say oba sa TVET ya kan mata ade a hyemi ba o miata ne fefefe Ghana ni ne design ntoma ne wo haya o in fact fabric no o me ye ne haya Ghana ni ene design ye Ghana ni ene sa pamo ye nkocha na nkofa no mama biem that is the essence of STEM essence of TVET adodan kwa akufado o de ka free SHS ho Papa John Dramani Mahama akande baby dum so corruption nkuko nkete
corruption is corruption
are you corrupt or do you mean me as a person or as a human being
that he asked
that you or not the only person a contractor be kwan or say before so benya contract no I just say wa man na ka abacha na ka no ache niska ansa na onya o say akanazu ye na ne kan bi na no kan say ade a ode koje contract no car so na easy for so me ko muja kan na presidential poop car no kwan say anim the evidence to asema kanazu kan no evidence e wo ho kan no kan ndi oh kan no kwa ejama muja kan man scan so e and the president Mahama there when it comes to corruption obi animu no what you say about education ade a Adam Kwakufu Addo me see ade bail brand for free SHS o say eh na ebi nti minister simria Mr President ye fa there no to was no ye baba mu January 20th September na first free SHS wo mu ko school. What is could be a case of music and Yentiada? I had this for the case, first never pa, and you can call it and they are only championing on the negatives on SAP policy, no, but the positive, no, they are not saying it. Positive, Nibini say, and there's a colano work crassy true, and ordinarily, and can own life for that. Middle class, like I say, Pibino, and then Mino can say, Acolano, and ya, on your coffee SHS, no, what me try is. Okay, yes, John Domani Mahama saying this for say, ya tap amano. Eno me try. What I say? Akwani say fi asa akọ abrochie ko school a was akodi abrofo no so den first. And then me no ka say oni abrofo no to class a. Oh, eti ya was anko ni bebre a wo school mu a wo mu sua de age ni de. What I say? Yo me de ma no sie no. Nti education no de say even say friends na pokasi ebesi and every pokasi ebesi 350 as we speak stem nko yes see about 2
so you two said they are no munsi 350
o see yes it yes see more than
okay
what I say oba say classrooms teacher bungalows oba friends and stem oba universities oba oh nya and the do yeah
e wo hini
o ti ase akomoda he ya what I say chebi he ya
chebi dey
east region he ya
nyamotre
oh hye no
kusku east region here
mo se banko 2 minutes so enough one
agwalas
first I'm saying ko chebi no na mo zamusi ye
oh nyamotre agwalas
yes 350 kan wa say university
uncle
me take kuskus
enye friend saying the quantity
on say road do aba
friend saying schools
no road do aba the oh
udia ajefo and some no aya agwalas da do it you try to interject me ono kasa ma mem ade ni nyina ne say ade aye no aye Ghana fo ani so Ghana for be so asa ato aba ato MPP for so enti NDC for there yam fan tro ni megum ne fa hanya mu na ase enkofo bi situation anya enti me de ma no sie no in fact adesu ni na make ye 1001 of sankola ho they make sure say wo mo be make sure say o mesa akoto aba ma doctor ba mo abeto aso NDC for say aba no mo ba first just o betwam first just o betwam because almost the John Bonner Mahama say, 2 billion cedis are all fancy free SHS. Bed, what I say, Leo, I'm say, I just 20 years of free SHS, bet me, almost a year, almost a 419, I'm can send me breed, and that year, Uncle Alice has a free SHS, I'm at the bagan of what I say.
Uncle Alice, of course, you're a couscous and kind of so many messages, Mamma, me no being for my son, and my uncle, not so but I'll be that we divide the rest of the time. This one says that to be honest, NDC party is actually a troublesome party in the country. The biggest mistake MPP made was, to choose the NDC person as a speaker of parliament. Sister Diane, please, this one is from, all this is from Yvonne Ode. Sister Diane, please tell the man to go straight to the point, as Uncle Wallace, and of course to stop reading from the book. Hey. So with all the papers in front of him, he couldn't actually tell us what we want to hear from him. NDC people are the most, any the media see. That was too harsh for me to say. Teacher, could you tell me so? Hey, could you message wow?
Kudo. Kudo.
Oh, okay. Teacher Kujo. Aha. Teacher Kujo Tepa and Yina Siso Ankamedase. Until the NDC puts, their emotions and of course prejudice against the causes against the court. Yes, against the court. Aside, and of course, they need the constitution critically. They will always lose, cases and make baseless claims that the courts are politicizing the constitution state. Anyway, it goes on and on. I want to know. But I still message you. I don't know. Yeah, in short. That means me kind of farmer. I can't tell. Okay,
teacher kudo anyina susu a wo body na ho ne ya nursing school nursing training college. Oh, na community at the health nurse and ya dey nursing training college
and am dey
nursing training college share couscous o ka say o say MPP for na dey free bus ride e buy Kwame Nkrumah so nyuma
the free ride bus and say you need
Kwame Nkrumah
president for 4 time and buy
oh
yeah report Johnson wrong
yeah
services authority
yes
so your school ni Kwame Nkrumah time we school atare out mu kwa
me say yeah and then marry I from the 90 or from the 80s back
mo di buy ye obi
yes nyabotra oh che da bi ankwala so kan ko bi on akwase fie se chese yam so na de ba afadia president kofo de metro mass transit ana ba ye wode ba ye no buses nya huni bebre o ja se oba district bia
omnibus
mbesi wo sana agu the whole Ghana bus na do 20 Nagu.
Couscous Anqualas.
Nagu.
Omnibus Services Authority.
Okay, Diana Jonama ni bahal man buy. Ankuma de yin ba ayalolo. Onyankuma. Ayalolo. Onyankuma. I say.
Abidi ayalolo na. 250 Oko Accra. Accra me. Corporate transport mo poku ade ho. Wo ko no ma pa ko mo de wodu ayisa se.
Obe de.
Ayalolo omni wodu ayisa se.
Na se kana papa. Buses na John Dramani Mahama I didn't picture to 2016 yeah election also didn't picture to tar buses be I know am so work no bus I want to buy campaign sika de man see am fan health no John Dramani Mahama di sika no oda me mana kasa
we are obeba be now ankola si pacho fra
adeso
akola
na o kan yeah community day school adeso so na akola no ko bi free no what I'm saying is at this you know no you see community day school wo ho no munya school nko and akoda no ko bie as a day student and why so brilliant you produce no
oko day student and I don't know man have 4 years. And also I call Akufo do free education 4 years. Jakra no call SS no kwan 8 years. I say for more Angola so.
You say now why is being like this today? Angola.
Saying says Akora no kan no. Oko school wo Mahama community day senior school no mu. You say e wo wura mu no. E ho na Akora no ko e. Adujamafo yi adoba ewura paakoso asuo so Bunyina ya community schools. Couscous ke we enkrase for. What's your sinner crassi? Your sin room. Yan what can you? One cancer.
But so be car Nessa Palace. You share a idea. You could ye na yeke.
And banka gasu yoko.
Dabinyo and you just yoko.
I won't quanta.
Aha, yes.
Put you right.
Pacho I could.
Crona cotuna.
But couldn't tone sir, a muchin to because say a wound rem because first time I make me with school. No, me am catching one say as school as a wound rem a war actually because my man
directly opposite. There is a quarry, there is a factory, there is opposite the school.
I've seen it. They say the afina as a
crona cotuno. I say
a bed because it wasn't like that. Uncle
cemetery and connected, no him. Then Europe, and the cemeteries in America.
If you're more
South schools now, we say, oh, I am couscous cafe, a wool room no. na nkurasefo na esia ma omo no ade no bet kwa akoto no kro no ukwa dudama sisi directly opposite ade no adudama community day senior school no e ho no ma ye omo district assembly building
okay
adudama for me bo amon frɛ Kamala wo ho directly opposite almost say the 111 hospital no agenda 111 e wo the same ade enti ewura ma wo ka no kro ekoto
okay
Prempeh College now we are military barracks in the 1939-1940. Had the Prempeh College. Metra there yes and twice in school 78-83. It was the last idea along the stretch. Na chinyina na ewura ene kokohwe said the yes and twice the enti enka say yesi no room. No, we haven't. Any President Mahama launched free senior high school. Committee new at the any.
But free sorry.
Over 300,000 students benefit from free senior high.
Benefit as in what? Benefit as in what?
Yes, so 20 something. Where they? NDC built only 46 community days SHS. Opoku Prempeh.
Me say where hand over note am dem Opoku Prempeh. Okọ from am dey hand over note no anu.
Hand over.
Okọ from here no. Na out of 46 no so
stop this.
Ye no. Na 26. 26 no so emu.
My uncle, you when you get your time there.
26 no emu 11 na World Bank into 15 and then this aban. Yeah. Sada we ka sada
World Bank MI sika.
So I count. Then can make World Bank na anka
we no nti World Bank mosque na usia na World Bank.
Mo se na mo see here. Also
World Bank din. World Bank am a grant.
Also am World Bank din.
Net is a World Bank. Net is a World Bank this year. Schools no 46 no and you are listening in our hand. Any mon go through the MPP attempting to disrupt Mahama's record by reclassifying his projects. That's NDC. 46 schools no and you are listening. Okay. Finished and operational at the time we were moving out.
Okay.
Emu maku duba kon our northern region. Baumia adi.
Ekrom.
Yes, the area 11. Finish.
18 no crack.
Asante region ha maku 10 and you operational. And I'm saying drop on so dear crowd ye and so couscous yes you room into mu pushing ni panko. One with the warehouse and one more MPP near honor didn't name a go. It's a record they do to move. Yes. Drop on so for mon friend, my boy, my friend, and monka. Oh, we record near a supreme. Who can say on my 350 senior high school building? On come back, you will be saying. What me can? Make 2,000, make more than 2,000. Was say facilities are more than 2,000 existing secondary schools. Oh, my CC class. Angualas. What's the over building 350 new senior high school within your first 18 months? What campus? Senavrongo campus. Okay.
And Uncle Wallace.
One crap, almost like TVET, no, simply technical and vocational education. Bibisa.
And another TVET, no.
Swami. Swami. What try run about no cool in Kakra. Methodist Church, no right, no. Methodist Church, no French wall, no. Your NVTI, National Vocational Training is Kwame Nkrumah. And I decided, you know, if you are Medina, if you are Kokomrimli, Asante Region Swami, and Matrewi. Then Tiankwan never Abrosign it was 1, 2, 3 NDC, NEC in 2013, 2016. Entity that number 2 Ebia ni KTI.
The two that someone had to buy.
I will hold that. And I'm saying National Vocational Training is NVTI.
NDC.
Your friend is saying KTI. And you technical lady, no more. Oh, Mamma, too. And you don't say any
KTI, do one there.
Oh, my TV, and I'm
under the TV.
I will hold that. Almost crazy and presence. I feel no more.
TV now, hold it.
NVTI, National Vocational.
It's not a idea on its own.
Vocational.
I know, say vocational. But Omo claims omo the TV taba under the TV you know enuoma abeshishase
before they came Ministry of Education no there's a wing TV sector of the Ministry of Education. That.
45 to 50. So what can you say in the Anakwe Bibi when they say, and when I am my MPP for no so a casse. So most 24 hours and then 24 hour economy almost more day ban. And what did
yes, and these are the points that I'm making. They told me almost saying 5.7 million children are benefited from the
is it not true? How did they benefited?
Monfa mon tablet na mon Google story. Nana do neka say 2020 WASI performance has shamed free SHS critics. 2020 WASI
we've read this long time ago.
Has shamed free SHS critics. We were in America. That's Ekufuado. Okano 23rd of November 2020. We shall last but one paragraph before assessment. Or say the data also shows that about 60% of the 342,500 candidates who wrote the 2020 exam. 350,000 who wrote the 2020 exam. In a way, one for 350,000.
It's Uncle Walla say, maybe sir, and Colabi benefited from the free.
We are talking about 5.7 million.
Are the figures doesn't matter.
They do matter. Don't talk the lie in you. Share me see, Mammy, I don't know. We could get 342,500.
Okay. You have just 3 minutes.
342,500 for 2020 WASI. 2021. Also, Nana do not Kasayo. Was it then? 2021 WASI result have disgraced critics, President Akufo-Addo. 2021 also, Ministry of Education Ekasa GS. Oh, congratulations on your sterling 2021 WASI performance. That GES to candidate. First paragraph, first sentence. The Ghana Education Service has congratulated the 442,807 candidates. Into the 350,500, 342,500. Or the car 442,800,000. Monkey come home. One way.
Uncle Walla.
One way, no.
For no brain.
The why ki womo wie 2024. Nanu ye why ki neka say. O say why ehunu say kululu bebre ekoso examination no. Kululu say copying the apoko examination the figure be by one me adi number of people who wrote the exam this year 2024 ono na me de ye ma de nye kululu de say de o kan e wo hoda da apo body we no
e say wo brain na so
e wo hoda da very very important. Nti mame kan o mu life a wo no kike kan wo endu oka ono so eye be 400 and this year 460,000 and at the very first the year 2017 no oko Ministry of Education website ono so omo write for that exam no omo 352,000 right until 442 2021 2020 350,000 342. Okay, can you now boom we not even 3 million. You won't get it. Not even 3 million. We not be 2.5 thereabout. And this one you two Nana do cry this year or kind of be say 500 and say 5.7. Okay. And will say this year the highest number of students ever enter the free senior high only 503,000. Okay. Into the 503 no ekura nyaduma so mu nyina koi okay and now do buy no ye 2017 2018 2018 2019 2019 2020 3 no 2020 21 4 no 21 22 5 no 22 23 6 no 27 2023, 2024, last 2024, 2025.
Akameda
7 years. We see 7 years of the free SHS. So now to say the highest is this year 500,000. More than 500,000 by 7 years. Ubenya say Ubenya 3.5. The highest. Assuming that admit no. 3.5. Muslim say 5.7. But we say 5.7. These people are lying. NPP. Kontompo for power party. Nokora sa power party. Nabraba for power party. NPP nya chum. Power party.
Yo. The chief for Munyamo. And it's not what they've known for the green book. It's a green book no and try. Just a call him by in no green book and I want to but if you say yeah or read script na won't mean verify coffee for solar a quarry eastern corridor road a quarry over court grounds no like another anyhow I say from 2017 till now yeah fan say per calculation no can you pay 3.5 million
highest
and omonya free SHS. Hey, me Twitter album and say mama adodankwa akufo adoni MPP abai. Say watimi ama enkola 3.5 million. Anya education. 10, 15, 20 years to come. Sa enkola no ebe ma Ghana edu the middle class status na ye no. Say kan is it me ye bia. Enka ye bon say ma omo. If any it me even 2 million. And ye dey 3.5 number so say nke ko yanim. Nke ko yanim. Omutimi ye saying zero. What I say, and then the amount is and collect 3.5 no. Ombeto aba. No omoto aba so ombeto aba MPP. Enti keneke ye me confusing government kasa ye na difference just no buy. Eh NDC. Mahama lega mills no ma president mills ye nyina adwoma ma say one year. And you know when I said John Dramani Mahama say first just no or when they buy Ghana for ati, Ghana for ehuru. No I can add so akola say omo na see school e ma add so ni ko bi e na akola ni timi eden enya animude nja add so e ko omo day school no 4 years e no say abekọ Akufo-Addo e kan say features no 4 years e aden one truck say oh nka ayi obi se ne so say uncle wala squad e nka wuti fi na wo he wonananom nan disi for asuma say be twan tro kakra say
on tete wo ye
what you say be come to kakra say uncle Wallace o say others akola okwamum day school no for
makasa me see day school ye see ye and o call me
enti
day school ye see ye no and o call me o as a day student
good but so na free senior high school.
It's already free. At the time, all day students were free.
It wasn't free.
We're a day student. All day students were free at our time.
Me bacho. Every
time. All day students.
Uncle Pacho Maninka. Pacho Kafra.
At our time, TV3. Your pamu school for no more day exams fee. Okay, SSC. What's the news fee and your exams fee? Ye school you ye pamu wa TV3 kwa de ye e news achieve mo from far from kwa na Google 2016 ye pamu wo mo 2015 ye pamu wo mo no mo de kan nyina ye pamu wo mo and if you ought na ka che say na ye free no ko ade ni free ya achieve hu in fact adesu ni no ni kurom ho ni kurom mani nyina they are witness to asem wa yeke and this uncle wala stay na say we din try e kroma na hu wama hunu no kra ewomu se adodankwa Akufo-Addo free SHS adaroma enenne abofra no ogu efense abofra no London onyabotre Agwalas
well benefit from yes you know that's the point that I'm making
okay
yes you why anka onya
free enko free SHS na enti okọ mu school nim
me ba dan mama for manu nsikra no oh say school no kwa na waka ho asem no sa level no mka so mesi no ye back no mesi nwie yo no wo mun si da no nwie ye adu jamadi a wakan aja asante wo jinja no wakan no wo mun nwie ni nyina adu dan kwa Akufo-Addo e na ba wie ye wo wie no so no asante fo kan si ye wie ni anwie yo owie nso no obewie omo de omo gya ho no bewie no wanya no saa o and also the ancillary facilities ka ho also there be ma memfa nkola ne bi ma memfa boarding facilities ka okokwa da so a oh we see them headmaster teachers kind of saying dining or my library or my assembly hall or what I say aya ka sa de na yen catch me say o sisi sa school
kwada so fa hin no kwada school
Uncle Pacho.
Kwada so one way
fanu sina me fa because
dan wo sisi sa schools ni wie nkwa no na e say placement e ba and this if one na pre form man ko prempe form man ko ya say man fa ko top high schools no ada no man for man ko kind of saying adobe ura na banka na we say no what we were challenging say Prempeh College, was Asibebre, Anglican, Louis, yes, those first class schools. Mom build this at the end fine edifice now. Musisi ho, and Cascoon Benyan cancer a greater number of what intake. Remember, Pastor Babaco or Pastor Babaco. And a placement abbey, and this is for a place of Mancof, a Prempeh High School, a school's never criminal. Or got them say, Nanya wasn't because school is here. A question to light in the hot when you hot. Also, yes, school na makrono. Yes, school na the whole nation because we bet me if you wa. We bet me if you vote about what I say. Yes, school ma
0202668461. We bet me a friend why a part of the conversation. I from my 9 minutes. Oh, almost 8 minutes. Move on, chemi. 0202668461. Be part na yenko yenim. I don't know messages be brabant. So I don't know why Facebook is not giving me most of them. This was to be honest. No. I think I've read this one earlier on. And be Brina Echo. I don't know. That's one thing about the life. 0202668461. Monfort my lines no empty screen so 0202668461. Obey me afraid now wants to know come here you know what about BDB 0202668461. Hello, good morning. 0202668461. I have this message says MPP all the way. To be honest, NDC people don't actually respect themselves. See the way he's talking on live. This is something else altogether. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, Bibi says that Uncle Wallace.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pacho. We didn't baby our frame me free.
Pacho, I promise Celestine because I feel too much.
Ernestine, I ain't you.
Pacho, you have a papa come kind and one.
Papa back obey.
You say, your Okasama, the Oka say NDC for no. I'm willing to go.
Okay. May I say 0202668461 be part of the conversation. Maybe I'll come back and read your message for you. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Oh, Pacho didn't baby a frame me free.
Pacho me didn't that free at Chim and a mass honorable Kofia and Grandma for a crew.
Pacho, you see one pay.
Near Tianya say NDC opening also no crane say I am not acquired then say we catch a penny say will be at all and I send some more Canadian credit. It's in any kind mean to me case then I know as well cano I have so. Name me I make catch and say next time NDC party no hono aya or who you he said, "Oh, me ni pebia. Why say you penny? You bet my yodium. Maybe you cannot do good when the master. I'm on sign Belgium. It's this for the Munyao. Ukrainian meaning. Who baby on the campaign in Fascia.
But uncle, they no Kaya and then Kenya no cray.
Almost free SHS.
Okay.
Say, oh, by catch them say, Mahama time 2015-2016. That day. It's free wobwa because that time send the MPP in the can and kwada almost exams all or mobile for final year exams. You be down muka you saki binom utie miracles abuaje the lectures or they must from free SHS. Other TV stations as well. Now who say 2015 you go for the even end of time exams were not abaninchia. But when you could drop a travel radio is a free SHS in Bono. Man Peneta John Mahama said, or no was here. Any question say. At the end.
May I say 0202668461 making the point clear. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Pacho didn't maybe frame me free.
Yeah. The difference.
Yenti o adaroma yenko ebrene ko yenko.
Na endi before na kan den na mpesa omokan. Omonka na omokan omunya yeka na enya no kre. Why? Omunya yeka.
Emudu ayi na enya no kre.
Omonka na okan na bia no enya no kre omunya yeka. Why?
Yate wo de na na yafa eno no 0202. Forgive me. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho didn't maybe frame me free.
No, but your friend was of our finish in the Cassafi, Elmina.
Much oriented one of Elmina for Yanko, yet I'm now so Yanko.
You married Diane, and then I'm a company.
Yakafancy, Yanko.
You, Mamma Diane, I draw all I didn't want Ghana pie there. Ghana, I there shape our number for the only compass. To that shape or number for the only be joined and oracle. Number the Macachini and maybe in the political party, Jerry Wubutu, what by your Ghana will be saying number one. MDC was the MPP, MPP was the NDCY. Then in my door, your America in the Union, the West Parliament. The West Speaker, the West economy. Nara of what is going on. And so, sometimes we want to more appreciate one another. If you want to have solved Ghana, you programs are my and that. Mapan will be in one.
Okay. Watch me that same for Kobe, your time now soon. Yako, 2 seconds. Yako. What can be Bombay with so?
I always say, okay. And this is a party worth dying for, in the sense that what sacrifice Mamma Kwana, they don't reward you. Where Uncle Wallace at here. And this is a bad down. Usha Uncle Wallace communicator NDC for the one of the longest communicators for the NDC Uncle Wallace. Because say when the NDC so ensure when you so kwano when this so that in the unlikely event kwase NDC we 2024 year Uncle Wallace sponsor nya futiri mfim what I say nti me dem anu say no Uncle Wallace efiefo me ka chem say mu nyina mo to aba na ma ai friend say Doctor Baumia ya ba ya be hamu asa Uncle Wallace because we imagine no man Uncle Wallace go you know
still ya me kwa dey so
oh Uncle Wallace
okay Mungogol, brilliant SHS graduate turns MTN mobile vendor, cries for help. March 7th, 2020. A needy but brilliant senior high school graduate in Okrasi, a farming community in Upper West Atim, a Hona Adesun. No school no Nyanwa community days in school was about the first the second year. And he was saying the student was among the first batch of students admitted into Nyanwa Koowaa Community Day SHS, commissioned by former President John Mahama in 2016. He was also a beneficiary of the progressively free education policy piloted by the Mahama.
We agree with Uncle Wallace, our review, Ashanti communication team member for the NDC, and of course the Couscous, Ashanti communication team member for the MPP. Media production, including in our say Adom Ima, famous, popularly, and then of course.
Maswado CID or